Hello and welcome to Shorts in Psychology. In this video, we're going to learn about mirror neurons and their role in observational learning. Research into mirror neurons is a diverse and complex field, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to keep things simple, focusing on what you are required to know and explain for SACE Stage 2 psychology. Have you ever heard the expression monkey see, monkey do? Well, in an experiment conducted in the 1990s, researchers discovered a special type of cells while studying the activation of neurons in certain tasks. The researchers observed that these special cells were activated when macaque monkeys performed a goal-directed action, such as grasping food. And they were also activated when the animal observed an experimenter or another monkey performing the same or similar action. The researchers termed these kinds of brain cells mirror neurons to credit their mirroring characteristics. Similar findings were repeated in human studies, showing a sophisticated mirror neuron system present in all of us. So mirror neurons are specialized brain cells that activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe someone else performing the same action. The researchers proposed that the function of such a mirror neuron system is to detect the mental states of other organisms in the environment by simulating their movements, and the mirror neuron system is therefore believed to play an evolutionarily conserved role in social interaction. Mirror neurons are located in areas of the brain involved in action preparation and social cognition, such as the premotor cortex and the inferior parietal lobe. Here is a very simple visual representation of what that looks like. If a person is catching a ball, their mirror neurons will fire as represented in this simple graph. A neuron firing means that it is transmitting an electrical impulse along its axon to communicate with other neurons. Similarly, when the person watches someone else catch a ball, their mirror neurons will also fire. Mirror neurons are believed to play an important role in observational learning as they enable us to simulate another's action, which leads to being able to understand one's intention behind their overt behaviour, to imitate them, and finally to empathise with them. The activation of mirror neurons allows individuals to intuitively understand the purpose behind others' actions. For example, recognising that someone is reaching for a cup is likely trying to drink demonstrates how mirror neurons help us infer intentions without needing to analyse each movement in detail. Mirror neurons facilitate learning through observation, which is fundamental in human development. For example, when a child observes a parent tying shoelaces, their mirror neurons activate, creating a mental simulation of the action. This process strengthens synaptic connections, leading to the programming of specific behaviours. Mirror neurons are also thought to play a significant role in empathy, enabling individuals to resonate with the emotions and actions of others. This capacity for emotional understanding is crucial for effective social interactions and communications. To consolidate your understanding of mirror neurons, let's finish with a past exam question. Here is the question from the 2024 SACE exam. Pause the video while you attempt this question. Before going through a model answer, here are a few important reminders when answering exam standard questions. Note what lead-in verb has been used. In this case, it's describe, which means you need to give characteristics and features of mirror neurons in observational learning. Note the number of marks that have been allocated to the question, which is 2, so you need to provide one well-described idea. Lastly, to receive both marks, it is crucial that your answer isn't just describing mirror neurons in general, but that it is in the context of the scenario about Suki. So if we put this all together, your answer should look something like this. Mirror neurons are specialised brain cells that fire when an action is observed and again when the action is performed. When Suki watches her dad play with the train set, her mirror neurons will fire. They will also fire when Suki imitates the behaviour she has learned and plays with the train set. I hope this has improved your understanding of mirror neurons and their role in observational learning. The exact role of mirror neurons in human cognition remains an active area of research, and I've included a link below for a detailed literature review article if you want to know more. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. See you next time for another Shorts in Psychology.